Good evening, sir. I'm going to explain my first program. Here I'm creating my directory as make directory of m mm, make directory of this thing, and I'm here change to the directory, and I'm giving my command as change directory of like this, and I'm going to create a file for student details.txt. So I'm creating my file with the student details like this. Students details dot text I'm giving, and I'm giving the corresponding commands here. And I'm typing my the given questions here to create a student file directory. And I have created my directory. After creating this, I am giving the directory here, and in this the questions goes like this: display the student's name with their register number and department who is having elective as data warehouse, and I am giving the command as grep command. uh, Data I have given as data, so I'm typing this as data in student details, in students details. So it's displaying the thing with that, and the next thing is displaying the number of students, having the electives as CAD from the student details, and again I'm using the grep command for that. Again I'm using the grep command for that. This grep command is used, and CAD is given with the students details, and the two CAD students are there, so it is displaying here. And the another thing is display the file in sorted order respective to the register number, and in the sorted order it is displaying its register number, so we are giving the command as sort hyphen n in the students details. students details, and in the sorted order the register number is given along with that. So, and the next thing is the next question is create a new file backup.txt with the same content as student details. Creating the new file content, so cat content is given, and along with that I'm giving backup.txt dot text. So backup.txt is given. Backup.txt is given, and along with that copy is used to copy the text with another details. Student details is copied to that new file. Backup.txt is same content is copied. The same content is copied in this, and again the question goes as rename the file backup.txt to save.txt. So the file backup is given, and that save.txt is given. So cat hyphen save.txt save.txt is given, and it goes like this, and save.txt is given, so it is moved, save.txt is moved along with that. So I'm going to give move command, move backup.txt. The backup commands the student details are copied in that, and it is moved to the save.txt. So it's moved, and it is given in that. And the ninth question is how many files are available under slash deviation. So the file names are given along with the slash deviation, and the command is ls space slash deviation. Pipeline operator is used, wc slash space l. So 183 files are available in that. Displays the current time. So if we give the date command, it is displaying the current time and the date which is in that, and display the June month of the calendar. So the calendar, the command is calendar June month, 6th is a month, and the year of that is given, so June is coming. So 12th question is to store the username whoever is logged into the system now and save it into the user text. So we are giving the cat command, cat user.text is given, and it's so in this who command is used so that we can know whoever is using this in the current time. So I'm giving the who command in that. Who command is given, and the another thing is save it to user text, and it is saved to the user text. And how many words are present in the file student.txt. So file student.txt, we can see how many words are there. So we use wc command space hyphen c student details dot text is given, and 209 student details are there, student details 209 is there, and find the terminal number you are using. We have to find the terminal number. We for that we can use For that we can use who am I who am I command. For that we can use who am I command. In that we are getting the PTS and the details are here. And the 15th question is display the content under your home directly including hidden files. In that hidden files are stored. This command is used ls space hyphen a, so that the hidden commands, we have created one directory as student details, and we have copied that to the user text, and we have moved that whole content to the save.txt. So three files are hidden. So 16th question is create alias name as unhidden for the command to display the files including hidden files. So we are creating alias space unhidden equal to ls space hyphen a, and another thing is unhidden. So the unhidden files are given in that. The same thing is the alias name for unhidden. First hidden file is used, so that all the files are in the um, ls space a. For that ls space a we gave one name as unhidden. So if we type the unhidden files are here. And what is the processing id of the shell you are using? The processing id of the shell we are using is ps. If we type that, the processing id is 2669 and 2730 is used, and the bash and commands are used as here. And the 18th question is create 10 empty files with an extension .txt, .doc, .jpg, etc. So if we create that, so different types of files are used in this, with the thing dot text, and file 2 dot document is used, and file 3 dot jpeg is used. jpeg is used in this. So we have created three files with the extension of .text, .doc, and this thing. And the 19th question is create directory named csc, then move all the contents, all the start text files from your directory. So in this we are making another directory as csc, making directory as CSE. So in that we are moving the name star dot text to the CSC, moving the dot dot text command to the CSC. So another thing is, so we are moving, first we are making the directory as csc, and we are giving the file which is in text format to the csc. So display last three lines of the file student details dot text. So we are giving command csc change file as csc. So first we have created it as student details, and another thing we are copied it to it, and now we are changing the directory as csc. So directory changed. In that we are giving the command as style space hyphen n space 3 space students details dot text. So the files or 3 lines of the file is given here. um, that's all, sir. My first experiment is over. Thank you.